Hey guys, how we doing? We are going to try a little challenge today. I'm going to go hit a little local creek by the house here. And what we're going to do today, instead of trying to catch one or two Pacific species, we're going to try and catch as many different species as we can in the next few hours. It's about 5 o'clock, so I got about 3-4 hours before dark. So I've got some corn, I got some worms, got artificials, and we're going to get some minnows when we get down in the creek. So today's challenge, like I said, we're going to try and get as many different species of fish as we can in the next few hours. So come with me, and we're going to jump in the kayak, and we're going to hit the creek. Let's try to make this happen, guys. All right. We're actually going to leave the kayak here a second. All right, we're going to hit our first little hole right here with the kayak in. And see if maybe we can pick up some bluegill or something. Just try to knock the easy ones off our list. I've got a little rooster tail, a little yellow rooster tail on here. And that's what we're going to start out with. Little inline spinners are always a good bet. Like panfish and stuff in the creeks, even bass and stuff. So there's a little bitty bass. See if I can get him to hit. Oh, there we go. Oh man, he had it. Dang it. Like I said, guys, I'm not worried about size today. I'm just trying to get as many species as I can in the next few hours. So oh, there's that little bass right there again. He's actually swimming towards me. And there we go. Got him. All right, species number 1. Got a little largemouth bass. So get him back. All right, guys, there's a couple of gar laying out here. I'm gonna see if I can't get one of these gar to hit this spinner. Oh. Oh, what we got here? Oh, all right, we got a white bass. All right, there's species number 2. That little guy, I thought it was a spotted bass, but no, we have species number 2. Boy, I should have brought my little forceps with me. All right, guys, there we go. Well, there's a gar laying here. I'm going to try and get that spinner right in front of his face. And well, he's got some interest in it. He's coming after it, but probably going to have to get right in front of him before to grab it. I could put a night crawler on a hook and get him probably pretty easy. Oh. Boy, he came after it. All right. Gar kind of give me a pain to hook sometimes when you're trying to catch them. Just because, oh, boy, he's after something. Got something chasing it. I'll be daggum, a freaking grass carp. Which, you know what, I might put a rod with some corn or something on. Let's see if I can't catch one of these grass carp. Alright, guys, I was sitting there and I caught that white bass on a little largemouth. I seen a couple of grass carp swimming around here. So I'm gonna take a rod, put some of this corn. All I got is just some great value corn from Walmart. We're gonna throw that out there and see if we can't get some of these grass carp to hit. Then I got this other rod. I'm gonna put a night crawler on. Oh, something already hit that? Yeah, something's already got the corn, guys. Something's already got the corn. There we go. Oh. Big old spotted bass just came up and tried to hit that. Guys, I've got a black carp. This is one of these invasive black carp. I did a video on these guys. These guys are extremely invasive. All right, guys. I just threw that corn out there, and I got this guy. Let me wash him off. But I'm gonna have to dispatch this guy. This is a black carp, and these things are highly invasive. I'm here in southeast Missouri, and I actually did a video where I talked to a biologist. And when these things start getting big, their main diet consists of mollusks, clams, mussels, and they are wiping out the native mussel population. And they do not want you to release it, just like an Asian carp. You catch one of these, you cannot release them back into the water. And I'm actually going to turn this into a biologist. So I'm going to go put this in my little cooler, and we're going to take it with us, and I will turn it in. So. All right, guys, that was species number 3. It was a, like I said, it was an invasive black carp. Man, and I caught one actually out of the same stretch of water last fall. And I guess these things have got a better foothold than what the biologists thought, because they actually didn't think they may have been this far up. I'm several miles from the river where I'm actually fishing. And I'm kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a bummer seeing things. And that biologist, he was telling me almost all your watersheds, all the water is filtered by clams and mollusks. That's how you get good water clarity. If you're seeing a lot of clams and stuff in your creeks, it means you got good water quality. So, all right, I got the worm, got the worms out now. I got some corn on the bottom, and we're gonna throw a night crawler out. When I was fighting that black carp, a really nice spotted bass. Oh, all right, guys, dang, we're getting hit already on the corn. Lay this worm down here. Oh, got him. Ooh, drag stripper. Ah, we have a common carp. All right. Man, these things are such awesome fighters. But this is species number 4, guys. And I hadn't even got started down the creek yet. So let's get him back. All right, so far we have a largemouth bass, a striped bass, well, white bass, a black carp, and a common carp. Let's get this night crawler out there and see what happens. And I was actually trying to target some of the grass carp I seen. I kind of figured it'd be, common carp, because this creek is full of them. So all right. Let's get our corn rod back out there. Boy, it seems like the corn is producing. All right, get that sucker out there. Oh, getting hit on the worm. Oh, all right, we got something. All right, species number 5, a yellow belly or a bullhead, yellow belly bullhead cat. And boys, for you gotta watch these guys' fins. They got a wicked set of fins on them. Oh, dang though. All right, the dang oh. Whew. Got all kind of action going on. All right, let me get the hook out of this guy. And man, for y'all that flathead fish, you guys know this is like perfect size for flathead fishing. So we're gonna get this guy back. But we are on a roll, guys. Let's keep our multi-species day rolling here. All right, guys, I see a bass over there. I don't know if it's a spotted bass or a largemouth, though. I just seen him on the edge of that riffle. I'm gonna see if I can't get him to hit. Oh, there's the bluegill right there. Missed him. I'm actually using a drop shot hook today. That's what I'm using for my corn ammo worms. Cause those little drop shot hooks are actually really good. Boy, there's a nice bass right there. I think that's a largemouth though. We've already got a largemouth in our take. But I might see if I can't catch him. Nope, I believe he just took it. Yep, there he is. That's a pretty good largemouth too. Oh, dang it. Getting hits left and right, guys. Alright, guys, there is nice largemouth, but we already have a largemouth in our count, so but he's a nice bonus. Alright, there he goes. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, species number 6. We're getting in. We have a drum. Not a bad one at that. Alright, there we go, guys. There is species number 6. Alright, man, we were off to a heck of a roll here, guys. We got 6 species out of one little hole already. And I'm getting hits like crazy, man. I literally just threw this sucker out and already getting a hit. Trying to get, oh, there we go. Then we got us another carp. Yep. Alright, we've already got a carp on our account. So we got a little bonus here. So, alright, get you back. Oh, there is a big old grass carp right there. That's exactly what I've been trying to catch. It just came up. Oh, what we got here? Alright, species number 7. Got some bluegill. No creek trips complete without catching some bluegill. There you go. Alright. Let's put a crawler back on. No, change my mind. Let's go with the corn. I really want to get a hold of that grass carp. He's a big guy. Well, I've just got conclusion. There ain't hardly no way I can fish with two fishing poles, because boy, these things are just hitting like crazy in this hole. Somebody target shooting or something. Oh, guys, I literally just threw that out there, and I got hit. I feel like a little better fit. Oh, it's that big grass carp. All right, guys, that's the big grass carp. Set my drag here. All right. All right, here we go, guys. I'm gonna get my camera off and let you guys get a little bit better look at them. All right, guys, there's the grass carp we just caught. I've been actually seeing this guy coming up on the surface, eating leaves and whatnot. And literally, as soon as I threw that piece of corn out there, he grabbed it. We're gonna get this guy back. There he goes. All right, species 8, I think. All right, let's keep it rolling. I took the split shot off add on here. Oh, there he goes. He's got it. I'm gonna give him just a second to make sure he gets it good. All right. All right, we got him. Come on, get in there. Well, I didn't even play him. I just wanted to get him in here. All right. Got another species here. I'll be honest, I kind of lost count. Can't remember if this was 9 or 10. A little spotted gar. Easy there, buddy. I'm gonna throw you back. Get the sand off him real quick. See them pretty spots on his tail. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I can't stand catching these guys when I'm catfishing. They are the bane of my existence when I'm trying to catfish, especially in calm water. But like I said today, we're trying to get as many species as we can, and I'm glad to have them. So there it goes. Slimy sucker. Oh, there we go. There's our long-eared sunfish, guys. That's what I was trying to get. All right, and I'm gonna take this guy, and I'm actually gonna cut him to a little chunk. I'm gonna throw him out here just to see if we can't pick a channel cat or something up to add to our account. Oh, dang, guys, I literally just threw the sucker out here and turned my camera on, and I got thumped. Drum, big old drum. Here, buddy. Well, you hooked yourself good, didn't you? There we go. All right, there we go, guys. Big old drum. Get you back. There we go. What we got here? All right, got a little channel cat. There's another add to our list. That's actually I got the bigger rod out for. But there you go, guys. A little juvenile channel cat. Boy, they're pretty when they're a little bit. Got all these spots. All right, let's get you back, buddy. Sweet. Getting the bluegill. But like I said, I'm trying to see if I can't find us a green sunfish in this mess of roots and stuff. Oh, do you get? Oh, wait a minute. That might have been a red ear. Is it a red ear? Yes, it is, guys. It is a red ear. So we have another species to add to the account. See that pretty little red ear right there? Another member of the sunfish family. All right, so what are we, 10, 11? I'll have to go back through the video and we'll have to see what we got. But we're off to a good roll. Whoa, guys. That was a good hit. What we got here? Channel cat. They're getting bigger. That ain't consolation. Alright, there we go. It's fun, those little rod I'm throwing only got a 4-pound test on it. So, ooh, that breeze feels good. Got a little breeze. We got some weather coming in this weekend. So, honestly, I wasn't even gonna fish this evening, but next couple, 2-3 days, supposed to be a lot of rain. I figured it might be the last chance I get to hit the creek for a bit. So, oh, there we go. Oh boy. Boy, whatever that was, they hit it on the drop. Pretty good fish, whatever it is. Are you kidding me, guys? I think it's another black carp. I really do. Come on, buddy. Well, this thing's giving me an absolute scrap on his light tackle. Yep, guys, that's exactly what it is. It's another invasive black carp. I was stating earlier in the video, yeah, these things, you cannot release these things. The conservation department here in Missouri is doing their best to try to eradicate these things, but it is just, unfortunately, these things have got a bigger foothold than what they thought, I believe. There we go. All right, I'm gonna have to dispatch this fish and I will get a hold of my local fisheries biologist, David, and I'll have to turn these over to him. So there we go, guys. That's another black carp. A real distinguishing feature of these things is that top fin, like that. You got a good look at that thing. Oh, corn rod's getting hit, guys. There we go. Got him. Old carp. Man, these things are such awesome fighters, guys. Woo! Love that sound, that drag feeling, boy. Pretty decent sized carp. Oh. All right, buddy. I'm gonna turn you loose. Just want to pick you up and admire you. All right, guys. Old common carp. Get this guy back. Not most graceful release there, guys. Dang, guys. Oh, I literally just threw this thing in and it got hit. Oh, that is a grass carp. All right. Come here, buddy. Alright, there we go. Grass carp. Heck of a fight. And this one, guys, is really, I mean, this is just a little guy. These things get freaking ginormous. They look like the big ones, they look like a torpedo swimming around the water. Ooh. I'm gonna give it just a few more minutes, guys, and then I am gonna head for the day. It has been, man, it's just been an awesome fishing trip. You gotta come out to see how many species I could catch, but then ended up getting up in this hole and getting into these big carp, and man, I just couldn't walk away from it. Guys, that is it for today. Holy wow, did we have a good trip. We caught, I want to say 10 species. I'm pretty good sure we caught 10 different species. And towards the end of the day, we got on them big carp. That was just an absolute blast on light tackle. But there is one thing that kind of brings the whole trip down, is I caught 2 black carp and I lost a giant black carp. We didn't think they were that thick yet here in the state of Missouri in these creeks, but evidently they're starting to get a really good foothold. So it is Friday evening, so the first thing I'm gonna do Monday morning is I am gonna contact my local fisheries biologist. And if you guys go back, a few months back, I put a video out about these invasive black carp, and I actually did an interview with David, our biologist, and he gave me a lot of good information on things. Like I said earlier, these things destroy your native mussel and clam population. So if you guys do catch one, it don't matter what state you're in, get a hold of your fisheries biologist and show them the fish, and at least give them a heads up the fish are in your guys' waters. Guys, I appreciate you watching and hope to see you in the next one.